Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Monopoly Go codes. Let's get started. First, you need to visit the official website. Open the web browser and go to official Monopoly Go reward website. And then here at the top right corner, tap login and you'll be asked to sign in using your Facebook account linked to your Monopoly Go game. Here you can enter the Facebook login details to continue. And once logged in, look again at the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. And from the menu options, tap on Reward Code. And this will open the page where you can enter your code. Type your Monopoly Go reward code carefully into the text box. Make sure that there are no spelling mistakes, extra spaces, or missing characters. And then here you can redeem the code. Just tap the Go button to submit the code. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message and your rewards will be added to your game account. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Monopoly Go code and unlock your rewards. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.